Hi, this is the Nokia 9 PureView and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, just to add the applications to the folder, you should just hold it and drag it. To give a name or rename the folder, tap once on the name and enter the new one. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from the folder, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this up on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to the remove icon. Just don't worry, you will stay with this application and the apps menu. So also if you want, you can remove all of the applications with the folder together, so hold it and drag it to remove. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.